HeidiSQL. It is free and open source client for managing relational databases. Installation on Windows 11. Browser open. Google search box lo enter HeidiSQL. Enter key press. HeidiSQL.com. First link click. HeidiSQL official web page complete display. Second option downloads. Select first option installation note. First option click. Download HeidiSQL latest version 12.15.1.1 released date on 30 January 2026 year. Supporting OS Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Present Windows. First one Windows 64-bit installer options. Click. Download section HeidiSQL. Setup.exe file downloading process start. File size 16.9 MB. Completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side download folder HeidiSQL setup file display. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Select setup install mode. Two options display. First one install for all users recommended. First option select HeidiSQL setup window first button. Yes click. License agreement window bottom side. First option accept the agreement. Left side circle tick mark set. First button next click. Select destination location. Installation path local disk C. Program files newly created folder HeidiSQL default set space required 81.9 MB. Second button next click. Select start menu folder. Folder name HeidiSQL. Default set. Second button next click. Select additional task. Local options and temporary options. Default necessary options tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install window. Second button install click. Installing, please wait while setup install HeidiSQL on your system. Completing the HeidiSQL setup wizard window. Launch HeidiSQL. Option left side default tick mark set. Finish button click. Desktop shortcut HeidiSQL display. HeidiSQL session manager interface window display. Bottom side first button new. Down arrow click. Options and right side more option. Down arrow click. Interface settings related option. Left side first button new click. Session name default name unnamed. Delete key press. Enter the name Charitech. Enter key press. Right side network type installed MariaDB or MySQL. Host name and IP address 127.0.0.1. Username, root and password already installed in your system MariaDB or MySQL. Related password as it same enter in password box. Left side second button save click. Right side first button open click. Created directory name Charitech. User also name window maximize. Top section lo query click. Created any one database information schema and MySQL